What's up? So today, I'm back from the dead. I am Jesus. So, so today, I'm gonna be filming a get ready with me. I'm gonna be going back with my brows done. So, I'm back, and my brows are looking something else, which I can't do anything about it. I'm sorry that this is the content that you're about to receive. Like, I know that you're probably gonna say that
Well, you just went to patio. Then where's like the vlog in there?
I scrapped up my video for the vlog for the get ready with me because it was so boring. It was just about me talking about I have PTSD on pineapples. And why you might ask is that there's actually just two outcomes. It's either you do know but you act like you don't want to know, or you really don't know. So if you really don't know, good. You really don't know why, and if you actually know why, I guess I'll see you on therapy. So because that's how it's gonna be. So we all know that most brands like release foundation shades in great shades and in great amounts. For example, Fenty Beauty, they release with 40 shades, which like revolutionize, is that even a word? I don't know. Which revolutionize like the foundation game in the makeup industry. And that ever since makeup companies and cosmetic brands started putting out wider shade ranges. But here's the thing in the Philippines. Don't get me wrong and twisted, but the shade range in the Philippines when it comes to makeup actually, don't get me wrong, even Maybelline, like Maybelline, L'Oreal, Revlon, are much more international brands that you can find here in the Philippines. Why you might ask is that their shade range from fair white, fair, medium to fair, medium, and like a tan, and that's it. And the thing is that makeup brands, local or international, don't see like the other skin tones that there is in the Philippines. It's not just like chinita to morena. It's not just like fair to medium to tan. It's like fair, medium, tan, medium, deep, and deep. Just like all of the other countries, the US. And the fact that most cosmetic brands and makeup brands don't really acknowledge other shade ranges here in the Philippines just sucks. For example, this foundation is not my foundation shade. I don't know if you can tell, but this foundation is actually yellowy on me. But it is the darkest and it is the nearest shade I can find. And this is from Maybelline. This is the Super Stay one, which is the shade 310 Sun Beige, and that is like the darkest shade they have in the Super Stay line here in the Philippines. I mean, you can literally see the undertone change, right? Actually, I don't know if you can, but
Run.
it stands like from 120, I guess, up to literally 310. And from the Fit Me line, it stands from 110, I guess, up to 330. I'm actually filming this on the day that is allegedly supposed to be the end of the world. So if I didn't post this, we're probably all burning in hell. So yeah, just understand. Conspiracy time. We all know that Ariana and Nicki Minaj had like a technical malfunction, and I have come into a theory that it was an inside job. Why, you might ask, and what are your proofs, and how can you say so? My theory is that Victoria Justice, Jessie J, and Cardi B all teamed up to sabotage them.
Why?
You might ask. Well, if you're new to the drama, Cardi B and Nicki Minaj had a fight. And then Victoria Justice is clearly, how do I put this to word?
That's true. That's true. One thing you don't know about Ariana Grande is that she literally sings everything. She's starting to forget how to talk in her own voice because she sings everything, and it's a good thing because she's a beautiful voice. But it's awesome. She sings absolutely everything. She never stops.
That's so true, Liz. You sing a lot too. Especially during.
We all sing.
And we all know that the powerful trio, the Bang Bang trio,
It's me, Jessie
J,
Aubrey.
Nicki Minaj, and
If
Ariana
they
Grande
kiss me,
are
they're
a
sorry.
thing
Rather than
before.
like a Harvey
But
and
now
Pamela
it's just
Ferrari.
Nicki Minaj and Ariana. So my theory is that Jessie J formed Victoria Justice and Cardi B to sabotage them. I can back this theory up by the fact that Victoria Justice had to leave Coachella early. So that is kind of suspicious if you ask me. There was this one time I looked so good while baking. I uploaded a photo on my IG story and I look so cute in there. So I just want to share that out. It's now time for eyeshadow. So this is not going to be a tutorial, I guess. Just me literally getting ready for nothing. Or maybe, the second coming of Christ if it's tonight. So, he will send me to hell while looking on the full fam. I told my friend that I want to join the school paper. And I was freaked out because I don't know what to do in there. I really don't know what to do in there. What am I supposed to do? I know I said I wanted to, but I never said I want to follow through. Friend, if you're watching that, leave a like. This eyeshadow already looks. Follow me on Instagram. I need validation. Like all of my photos. I really need validation. That sounds so desperate. Let's just stare at each other, I guess. No, that would be weird. That highlight looks so strong and harsh. So hi guys, I'm back. So the eyeshadow looks like a freaking mess. So sorry, I just created a basic look, I guess. It's because I'm not even gonna go anywhere, just from my previous video.
Disgusting! Disgusting!
I'm really sorry if this is the content you're getting. So if you don't like this video, because I already got your view, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, I guess. I promise on my third video it won't be like this. I'm planning to do like a challenge, I guess, but who really knows. So see you guys later. Subscribe to my channel. I swear I need validation that bad. Okay guys, see you next day. See you tomorrow. See you not tomorrow. Anyways, bye.